All right, we're live from the Milken Institute Global Conference. Apollo Global out with its earnings Friday, saying it is, quote, well prepared for the economic environment ahead. Joining me now is Marc Rowan, the CEO of Apollo. Always good. Good morning.
Thank you for having me.
Our annual sit down here at Milken. You were on our air not that long ago with Andrew Sorkin back on April 9th. But even between now and then, it feels like a great deal has happened. So let's just start off, if we can. I want to get to your earnings, obviously. But give me your senses to the macro environment right now. Nothing has really changed in terms of trade, at least in terms of any new deals, even though the market seems to be hoping and awaiting something on that front. What are you seeing?
Look, we were in the single best position of any country in the world. Low unemployment, massive capital investment, massive capital flows. And what the administration wants to do is actually the right thing. Resetting our terms of trade with the world, long overdue. How we did it and how we're doing it, in the short term, we've created uncertainty. Uncertainty slows down investment. Uncertainty slows down hiring. We have ground things to a halt. And we've also, in the longer term, just damaged the brand because we've introduced so many unexpected outcomes for people.
Ken Griffin has said something similar in terms of damaging the brand. What does that mean?
Look, we are seen as a safe haven. For the last 15 or 20 years, investors from around the world were given three choices. There are three big markets. You can go to China, you can go to Europe, you can come to the U.S. Everyone answered that in U.S. for the past 20 years. All that money flowed into our economy, mostly in our capital markets, pushing our stock indices and bond to record highs. I mean, think about what happened here. We had 10 stocks that became 40% of the S&P. Market cap of NVIDIA alone was more than the stock market capitalization of every stock market other than Japan. And those 10 companies traded at a 60 PE. Hyper-exceptionalism, as I sometimes say. Now, we're just exceptional. That's literally what's happened. Uncertainty has given people an opportunity to rethink. Is the U.S. a safe place long term?
Yeah, although you've made the point, you did as well in the interview I just referenced. All right, where are you going to go? Germany with a $2.5 trillion bond market? You got it. I mean, we still have $36 trillion, not to mention, the last I looked, the dollar was still the reserve currency.
We are exceptional. We will continue to be exceptional for a very long time. We are now experiencing a loss of hyper-exceptionalism. And people are adjusting to that.
Is that gone forever?
It's hard to say forever. Look, I want this administration to succeed. The instinct of what they want to do, I actually think is right.
Well, what's right about it, Mark?
Think about it. We set terms of trade following World War II. We are the freest trading country in the world. We are, over the next generation, going to experience massive waves of technological change and other changes in our society. To want more of the jobs here, to prepare for the long term, is long overdue. Where is it written that the U.S. has to be the freest trading country in the world? Can't we be 10? And also, we have not yet gotten the benefit of what we're, in my opinion, what we're entitled to. I mean, I used the example when I was on last. Think of the U.S. and Mexico together. Done the right way, the U.S. and Mexico together should be the most potent economic force in the world for the next 50 years. Add Canada to that, and you really have something of massive size and scale.
Right, which points out perhaps the wrong-headedness of going after two of your key trading partners at the outset.
Interesting. I don't think it's the wrong-headedness, it's how. We should want reform in Mexico. I sit with Mexican industrialists, Mexican financial leaders, and to quote one of them, who will not be named, if it takes tariffs to make Mexico great again, so be it. There are things we should want from Mexico, and there are things that the Mexicans should want to do that are just politically difficult. And if tariffs are the motivator to do that, that to me is a smart tariff.